Welcome back to another Prime Acoustic install tutorial, and thank you for choosing Prime Acoustic for your acoustic treatment project. In this video, we'll be walking you through how to set up Ecoscape's ceiling clouds in your space. If you're looking to install standard and/or Broadway ceiling clouds in your space as well, check out our install video at the link in the description. Ecoscapes is Prime Acoustic's family of eco-friendly sound absorption panels, and an ideal solution for anyone looking to reduce the effects of poor acoustics in public areas, such as offices, bars and restaurants, schools, or commercial spaces. If you would like to learn more about the Ecoscapes product line, check out our introduction video at the link in the description below. Before you begin, it's important to have a clear design plan to follow based on the level of treatment needed and/or based on the unique layout of your space. When it comes to installing acoustic clouds, the number of panels in a given area will determine the rate of sound absorption and can vary depending on the room size and noise levels. With this in mind, you may decide to plan your installation to spread clouds evenly for general sound control, or concentrate over a particular noisy area to absorb sound before it can reflect. If you have not drafted out a treatment plan yet, we recommend using our Room Designer and Treatment Calculator apps to help you get started. Links to the apps are included in the description below. Should you need guidance at any stage of the install process, our team at primeacoustic.com is happy to assist, or connect you with a dealer or installer in your area. Here's a look at the simple tools and materials you'll need: measuring tape, ladder and/or scaffolding, screwdriver, hammer, wire clippers, and a drill. Once your tools are assembled and you have a clear design plan to follow, begin measuring and marking your ceiling for suspension point locations. Pay close attention to where you want the panel to be located, because the panel, anchors, hooks, hanging hardware will be directly below each ceiling mounting point. All cables should hang straight to create a dead hang. Please take into account that you'll need to leave a minimum 3 inches or 76 millimeters of airspace between the panel and ceiling, and up to a maximum of 75 inches or 150 centimeters. Next, measure and mark the back side of the panel for anchor placement. Anchors should be a minimum of 4 inches or 102 millimeters in from the panel's edge. Keep in mind, each anchor location should be spaced to match the location you marked on the ceiling in the previous step. After you've made all your measurements and markings on the ceiling and panels, we're ready to start applying the hardware, starting with the panel anchors. Place the anchor with the flat section on the marks. Fasten the smaller screws through the plate's holes directly into the cloud panel until the head of the screw is flush and tight with the anchor plate. Please note, the screws will not fully tighten, however, the connection will be very secure. Repeat for the other 3 anchors. When inserting the ceiling anchors, you'll need to check if there is a solid or hollow backing. Using a hammer, tap a nail into each ceiling anchor location to determine this. Depending on the backing, you'll need to follow one of 2 options. Option 1. If one or more of your ceiling anchor locations is on a solid backing, such as a joist, you do not need to use the included ceiling anchors. In such a case, simply use a 3/32 inch or 2.4 millimeter drill bit to make a pilot hole and screw the screw and end cap in directly. Option 2. If the backing of your ceiling is hollow, make a hole for the butterfly anchor and follow the next steps. Pass the unterminated end of the cable through the cable cap. Screw the ceiling cap using the longer screws into the ceiling anchor. Screw the cable cap into the ceiling cap. Angle the cable anchor at 45 degrees. Insert the loose end of the cable into the top of the anchor, pushing firmly to engage the cable into the anchoring system. You should be able to see the anchor protruding through the bottom. With the panel suspended, pull the cable through to adjust the panel's distance from the ceiling. If there are obstructions like ducts, pipes, or sprinklers in the way, fine-tune the lengths of the cable by pressing on the center sleeve of the anchor to release the cable. For the best acoustic performance, make sure to maintain a minimum of 3 inches or 76 millimeters between cloud and ceiling, and up to a maximum of 75 inches or 150 centimeters. Once panels are installed, they are easy to clean with any soft cloth, duster, or vacuum. And remember, if you need help at any stage of your install, our team at Prime Acoustic is available to assist. Or we can get you in contact with a dealer or installer in your area. Once again, thank you for trusting Prime Acoustic for your acoustic treatment project. For other install videos, visit our YouTube channel, or for more product information and educational material, visit primeacoustic.com.